Today on William's Adventures, I'm doing something slightly different. Um, I ordered a miniature from Miniature Market. You can just look that up, like Google it. And they're in basically St. Louis, Missouri, which is like 3-4 hours from here, drive wise, down I-70. So I'm going to open it up and show you their packaging. All right, so here's the box. All I did was I cut the tape on it so I could open it. It is very sturdy box, you know. There's the address, Miniature Market, Hazelwood. But Google it, look it up. And this is for the game I'm running. This is going to be an encounter that's coming up for specifically for my wife Nicole. So, a lot of packing peanuts. There's a plastic bag in here, which is around the miniature because I can see it in there. And then there's a lot of packing peanuts in here. And at the bottom, if I can get to it, is my receipt. Very nice printed out receipt. So, as you can see here, it is a Rakshasa. And it was like a little over $1, but it came to almost 10 due to shipping. So, I like the packaging. They did a very good job on the packaging. All right, let's see if I can open this one-handed. There we go. Pull out the little figurine from in here. I don't need the bag. Although that would probably be great for, miniature bits and stuff like that. So I will keep that. That and being a cosplayer, you never know what you're going to need a bag for. Alright. Let's close this back up. Alright. Get this up here. And there's the miniature I bought. And now it does not come with a base. It only comes with the one it's on. So I'm going to have to find a base and glue that on. But that's okay. I got plenty of bases. Let me take and zoom in here. As you can see, there's a lot of detail on here. Now it does look like right here on the tail there's some flashing. That's okay. It could be painted as tail tuft. Well, this is exactly what I ordered. So that's actually really cool. And just so you can tell, I got my wife's mini here because the legs broke off, so I had to glue it back on. So you have a scale. So yeah, that's pretty accurate. There we go. So if you're wondering if you should go to Miniature Market, I would highly recommend them. I got this in under a week. I got this in like four 4 days. Yeah, for like 4 days. But I live in the same state, so, we're good. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures, and check out Miniature Market. I'll leave a link down in the description. And there you go.